In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your very own Clawdbot, now Moltbot, on a free virtual machine. No Mac Mini, no VPS hosting, no security vulnerabilities, no investment whatsoever other than your time. We'll be using VMware Fusion, Ubuntu, and Telegram to bring it all together. So without squirrel ado, let's build. All right, so first two things we want to do here. We want to download the desktop version of Ubuntu. So you can go to ubuntu.com, top menu bar, download Ubuntu, Ubuntu desktop, scroll down. This is assuming you're installing this on an M series Mac. You want to grab the ARM 64-bit architecture download here. And it's going to be version 25.10. Okay. Now, secondly, we want to grab VMware Fusion. Alternatively, you can install VirtualBox or Parallels. It will work. The setup might be a bit different, but the fundamentals I'm showing you today will work across any one of these VM host softwares. So I just prefer VMware Fusion. There are a few hoops we have to jump. So if you don't already have an account with Broadcom, just go ahead and register. I'm going to log in with mine. And the domain you want to go to is support.broadcom.com. Log in. All right, now that you're logged in, you want to go to My Downloads. And this is a free account, by the way. This software is free to use for the public. And then you want to click here, free software downloads available here. We want to scroll down until you find VMware Fusion. It should be off to the right. And this is where you grab the latest version. So we're going to grab 25H2 and we're going to download. Now, before you can download, chances are you're going to see an accept terms box right here. What you want to do is click the link, open up an English version of the terms. As soon as you open up the English version of the terms, navigate back to this tab and you can check that box. I've already done that through hours and hours of testing different installations. So you want to install that there. Rather, you want to save that file there. All right, now that we have the two files that we need to get started, we can close out of this. And this is your Fusion installation. You just double click to install. All you want to do is click this plus and select new. And you're going to see this window here. I'm going to minimize that just so things are clean. Now, from here, you can either drag the ISO, the Ubuntu desktop image that we downloaded, or you can just double click and you can navigate to that file wherever you placed it on your computer. I already have it here in my list of ISOs. So we're going to select next. Then we do want to customize the settings. I'm going to name this one Morty demo. I'm going to name this one Morty and demo. Now, this is where we want to configure things. Minimum of 2 processor cores. I'm going to select 4 so that this demonstration is a little bit quicker. And then a minimum of 4 gigs of RAM. I'm going to select 8 so that this is much quicker. All right. And then one last thing we want to do that I forgot to show you is we want to go to the hard disk here. And minimum I'd recommend is 50. It's not only my recommendations, it's the recommendations in the documentation section of Moltbot's website. We're going to apply. And now you're just going to hit this big play button. We're going to go front and center. We're going to try or install Ubuntu. And Control Command, once your mouse is locked in there, gets it out of there. So I'm going to go full screen. Okay, it takes a moment to load up. But as you can see here, we're in the preview OS. So in theory, you could, if you wanted to, build it out here, but it's not going to be saved, right? So you definitely want to install Ubuntu first. We're just going to select, change anything that's applicable to you, but I'd keep everything default for the sake of the demonstration and the sake of your test environment, right? Keep it simple. Keep hitting next. We're going to use wired connection. We're going to install Ubuntu, interactive, default. And the only thing I'm going to check is the top part there. Now, we want to erase disk and install Ubuntu. Don't worry. This is not your local host disk. This is simply the allocated space that we set up for your virtual disk. Hit next. No encryption. And I'm going to call this one multi. We're going to call this multi, and for the sake of simplicity, multi for the password as well. And I'm going to click next. And time zone doesn't matter, right? It defaults to your local time zone. And we're just going to hit install, right? So very basic to get started. Now, this process is going to take about 15 minutes, give or take. So I'm going to time lapse this so that you don't sit through the boring part. Okay, perfect. So the installation is done. Now that I think took about 15 minutes. It might have been a touch under. Now, what we want to do is restart this VM. And it's going to ask us to disconnect the CD. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Even though it's locked, we're going to disconnect. All right, perfect. Now we're ready to log in. So let's log in with our password that we set. Beautiful. So let me just do one quick thing. This is just for ease of use and so that you can see my screen. All right, let's move this to the native resolution of the screen that I'm on. We're going to keep changes. Okay, now that resolution is set, we're going to X out there. And there's just this intro splash screen. I like hitting no, don't share system data, and finish. Wonderful. So what we want to do first is open up, let's full screen this. Let's open up the terminal. Move this to the left. Now I want to type in sudo apt install curl. We're going to enter in our password. This is going to be a prerequisite for everything we're deploying here. Let's open up Firefox. Move it off to the right. Okay, great. So first thing we want to do is install nodejs. So you can go to nodejs.org, click this green button here, and you want to copy paste these lines. So copy paste this first line here, installed, copy paste this second line here, perfect. And now you can type the rest. nvm install 24. Wonderful. Now let's verify that the versions are installed. We're going to do node-v first. Perfect. That matches. Then we're going to do npm v. Perfect. That matches the instructions here. Okay. Now, moving along, let's prep ahead of time. Let's go to molt.bot. I will also want to sign into my Google account because for today's demonstration, we're going to be using our Google anti-gravity Google Auth for using the bot. And I'm going to show you all the options in a moment, but I'm just saving time for this demonstration and doing things ahead of time. And then we also want to log into our Telegram account just to make the setup really, really easy within the virtual machine. All right, now that we have Telegram set up, let's go ahead and prepare the bot. So we want to search bot father and go with this verified user with almost 4 million monthly users. We're going to open that up and we're going to hit start. Now, we're at a good stopping point there. Let's go ahead and grab the command that we need to set up our very own Clawdbot. I mean, Moltbot. That's going to take me a while to get used to since I've been using this for a few weeks now. Now, we want to paste in that curl command. Now, because I do have a fresh terminal here, let's just start off with sudo and type in our password. And it's going to get to work. So while that's working, let's just go set up our new bot. All you got to do is /new bot. All right, we're going to call this one multi bot demo _bot. Perfect. All right. So we have our API here that we'll need in a moment, right? So just stay here. Once we paste this API into the setup, we're then going to open up our very own chat with that bot. Let's wait for this setup to complete. All right, installed successfully. So we have our very own Claudbot ready to set up. So I understand this is powerful and inherently risky. Continue. Let's make this a little larger so that it's more visible on screen. Okay. So we want to hit yes, I understand. We're just going to go quick start. Now, here's all of your options to connect, right? You can set up your Codex auth or API key. Same with Anthropic, Minimax, Quen. Now, for the sake of today's demo, I do want to choose Google OAuth. If you want to go with another route, if you want to create an API key and set it up that way, please do that at your discretion. But for the sake of today's demo, we're using Google OAuth. We're going to click there, and then we're going to select Google Anti-Gravity OAuth. And this is where it's going to ask us to log in. I've already logged into my Gmail account here, as you can see my inbox. So once it prompts that part of the setup to open up a new tab, it's going to be, I don't even think I'll need to click anything. So we'll see here in a moment. Yep, waiting for OAuth callback. So I'm just going to select my email here. And now, keep in mind, this isn't going to work with a free account. I have this account attached to an AI Pro subscription, okay? So just keep that in mind. This is not for free accounts. Now, I'm going to keep current model with Opus 4.5 thinking. I love that I have that option. Keep current. Now, you can set up a variety of chat tools, Discord, WhatsApp, and I'll eventually dig into those. But for the sake of today's demo and just easeability and the amount of time it takes you to set it up, I think Telegram's one of the more seamless options. All right, so this is where we enter in that bot API here. So I'm just going to paste that in there. Voila. We can configure skills. I'm not for the sake of the demo. It's weird how this CLI just started showing these underscores, but hey, it's okay. We're going to skip for now. Let's do session memory. And it's going to start the gateway here. So in the meantime, I'm going to click on this other bot and let's hatch in the terminal user interface. And then I'm going to start here. We have a pairing code that let's just open up a new tab and we're going to type in Claudbot, pairing, approve, Telegram, and then we're going to copy paste this pairing code in here. And we should get a confirmation here. Look at that, approved Telegram sender. So now, I mean, in theory, we should be good to go. Hey, Molt. And let's see what happens. Shall we? Just took a moment. That's all. Brand new, don't even have a name yet. Who's asking? My name's Muddy. You shall be multi. Now, most people stop here, right? This is where you start asking it questions. This is where you start defining what you want it to do. Or maybe you talk to it as far as maybe you're working on a project. Maybe you're building this for your company. Maybe you're building this for your YouTube channel, right? This is where you give it as much context as possible. And it's as simple as that. Now, today was all about the setup. I wanted to take you from not having it configured to having a working Moltbot. Now, I'm working on more videos where we go in depth with specific use cases. So I'd like to take this opportunity to ask you, what do you want to see me do? What do you want to see me build? What use cases would you like me to highlight, right? Drop a comment below and I'll add that to my list. I'm currently working on 3 different variations, 3 different instances right now. One for Clearmud as an executive assistant, one called Muddy Social for our socials. And I gotta say, I'm blown away, but I'm still in the building and architecture phase of how it's gonna operate on a daily and weekly basis. But I'm getting to the point where I am automating maybe 80% of a lot of the work that I did myself, even with some automation tools that I built that still required me to use them. I'm now having Moltbot do all of that autonomously. And it's amazing. It really is amazing. You're only limited here by your creativity and understanding of what you would like to get out of it. The sky's the limit here. So yeah, I hope you found some value in today's video. Now, I'm not an AI expert. I'm building in public and sharing what actually works. If you'd like to see me make a particular video around a specific topic, drop a comment below. Let me know who you are, what you do, who your target audience is, and what your question is, and I will add a video to my queue, custom tailored just for you. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. My name is Marcelo. This is Clearmud, and clarity matters.